The new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 continues a legacy that stretches over 70 years. Known for its rugged durability and world-conquering capability, the latest LC300 blends its traditional off-road strength with a modern approach to technology, comfort, and performance. This new generation marks a bold step forward, bringing the Land Cruiser back to its roots while offering everything today's drivers expect from a flagship SUV. Exterior design. The exterior of the LC300 is a harmonious mix of toughness and refinement. With its boxy silhouette, upright grille, and squared-off wheel arches, the design pays homage to its heritage. Yet it also embraces modern touches like sleek LED lighting, refined chrome accents, and new alloy wheel designs. Built on Toyota's GAF platform, the LC300 is not only lighter than its predecessor but also more rigid, enhancing both on-road comfort and off-road resilience. Interior and luxury. The LC300 balances utility and luxury with impressive finesse. The cabin features high-quality materials, available leather upholstery, and a redesigned dashboard centered around a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. With seating for up to 7 and improved legroom, it offers a comfortable ride for families and adventurers alike. Functional details like a multi-terrain monitor, configurable drive modes, and robust climate control ensure the LC300 is as practical as it is polished. Engine V performance. The 2025 Land Cruiser LC300 ditches the old V8 in favor of a more efficient and powerful twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6, delivering around 409 horsepower and 479 pound-foot of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Toyota's full-time 4WD system, the LC300 is more responsive, fuel-efficient, and capable than ever before. Whether scaling rocky trails or cruising highways, it handles with a newfound agility thanks to its lighter frame and advanced suspension setup. Off-road capability, built to conquer. As expected, the LC300 remains a true off-road warrior. It comes equipped with features like crawl control, multi-terrain select, a locking rear differential, and an adaptive variable suspension system. The combination of increased ground clearance, improved articulation, and cutting-edge off-road tech ensures it can tackle even the harshest landscapes with ease. This is a vehicle built for explorers who venture far beyond the pavement. Technology and safety, modern assurance. Toyota has outfitted the 2025 LC300 with its latest safety suite, Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and more. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while multiple USB ports and optional premium audio make long journeys more enjoyable and connected. Conclusion: a worthy successor. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 is a successful evolution of an automotive icon. By combining legendary toughness with modern refinement and intelligent engineering, it appeals to both loyal Land Cruiser fans and a new generation of drivers. Whether it's carving through desert dunes or navigating city streets, the LC300 is built to go further and do it in style.